Alright, what's up guys? So today we're actually going over, I just finished working on my chassis a little bit. You'll probably see that video right after this one, most likely. I did a little bit more chassis work you guys will see, so look forward to that. Right now I'm actually heading out to Michael's house. I'm taking the back roads, as you can see. It's a nice, kind of cool drive, but yeah, I'm heading up there now. Because Michael got a new project, so I really want to show you guys. He's already done a lot of stuff to it, so I can't wait to show you guys what he's got. So I'm gonna head up there now, meet up with him. Probably, oh my god, it's really bright, jeez. I'll probably take a couple clips of this like drive I'm taking. It's a really cool road. I really wish my truck was already done on the Crown Vic chassis. This would be a great road to drive on, but I'll go ahead and I'll catch up with you guys when we're at Michael's house and I can show you guys that car I got. It's super cool. I can't wait to show you guys. I'm actually extremely jealous of this one. Hey, Shannon. Well, dang. Man, those wheels look a lot better than the other ones.
Yeah.
Dang, that thing looks sweet. Got some nice poke in the rear. It's gonna fit really well. I know. Have you even like seen what the right head looks like?
We literally just finished putting the rims back.
Oh yeah. Dog, move. Oh, so yeah. How big's the lowering block? 2 inches?
Yeah.
Tell me about it. Everyone that hasn't seen your channel, tell me about it.
Well, it's a 351 4-speed shaker car, 69. Got it for a good deal. Basically, what we've done to it, we kind of fixed the crab. We thought originally the crab in the rear end was from the U-bolts being bent, like someone hit them.
Oh yeah.
After buying new U-bolts, ordering them, going through this entire thing, it kind of shifted back over a little bit, but it ended up being the shackles, which is what I thought it was in the first place, and we hit it with a hammer and it went back, but then we put the rear end back and the shackles went back. So
if you're not familiar with what he's talking about, the rear end was kind of knocked out of place, and so it was literally crab walking down the road if you haven't heard that term before. So what else? Fuel tank's out of it, a bunch of other stuff you took out of it, huh?
Yeah, I'm waiting on screws for the fuel tank.
What the heck?
Yeah, it has no door handles, and the battery, I disconnected that because I almost killed myself.
The battery's in the...
Story. There's a door switch down in here. Solenoid door. When the battery's hooked up, press that, it like pops open. You gotta get rid of that, that's gay.
So someone took a 351 Windsor 4-speed shaker hood fastback Mach 1 and took the door handles off it and probably filled them with Bondo.
Other things we did to it, the shifter had a lot of play in it.
Oh really?
If you want to get in.
Yeah, sure. So you fixed that?
Yeah.
Yeah, black interior, look at that. Oh, you like it, huh, Shannon?
There's no headliner.
Oh, jeez. At least it has the bars, though. Oh, wow.
Now there's like no play at all. It's like a new car.
Wow. This interior isn't actually that bad.
Yeah.
If you do a good solid detail on it, I mean, is the dash all destroyed?
Yeah, I went through it with Meguiar's. That's glued on for some.
Yeah, okay, that's not okay.
Yeah.
Alright, well, we'll just leave that.
Interior's okay.
It's better than yours.
Yeah. Has roller rocker valve covers, like higher clearance ones.
Oh, okay.
On it right now.
Oh, and I see headers.
Yeah, those have long tubes. And the header gasket has an exhaust leak on that, so I'm gonna have to fix that.
Oh,
you know what happens when you fix header gaskets?
Yeah.
You run it open headers.
Yeah.
It's got a new Summit carb on it.
Yeah, how do you like that
600. Runs fine.
Yeah.
And we slapped it on there, didn't even tune it, and started up, so.
Oh, sweet. And you got an MSD. Do you have a box too, or is it just that?
Oh, no, it's not.
Just
no
the
box.
distributor?
Yeah.
Oh. So what was the original color of this thing? Is it white?
I think it was Royal Maroon, same color it is right now.
Oh, so it actually was this color.
Yeah. So the story of this car is actually that the guy bought it as a race car, because it came factory with no AC, didn't have radio. He wanted all the crap off. No power steering. No power steering, nothing, like nothing's running off the motor. He wanted the most power he can get. 4-speed.
Yeah.
So then the kid's son wanted to drive it, but for some weird reason he did not like manuals. So his dad put an automatic in it, and then he got bored of the car, and then he slapped the 4-speed back into it, and then sold it to the next owner. And she was 17 when she got this car. So got it from her, and when we took it away, she was crying, so that was a hard one. Technically a better place now.
Well, how long was it sitting in the garage before you got it?
It sat for 18 years. She registered it in 2011 and drove it in 2011 for a month, I think.
Oh my goodness.
And then it sat.
So it's been sitting for quite a long time.
Basically 18 years.
Oh my goodness. So you said 18 years before, and it's been driven once in 18 years?
Yeah, once in 18 years.
Oh my goodness, that's crazy.
But it's been registered every year.
Oh, so there's no fees at least?
Right now, yeah.
Wow. And it doesn't look like there's any like rot anywhere. I mean, anywhere really. I think I saw a tiny bit on that side right here, but that was
The only
it.
place that there's rust is on right here. It's pretty bad, but easy fix.
Oh yeah, you can buy that patch panel and cut that out.
Yeah, I'll just...
Shannon can do it, huh Shannon? You're so excited to get in here and play, aren't you? But these are pretty sweet. What's these? What are these wheels? We picked these up at Long Beach, right?
These were...
No, these were on your dad's car, yeah.
Who knows how long ago? Yeah, they're just American news.
And then you're gonna put the flat caps on?
Yeah, those are...
So those are the flat caps. They just, I don't know why.
These are expensive.
I know, these are real ones. They're not just repop ones. They're all made in America and everything like that. And it basically just takes this piece off and it's flat. And it's a cooler look, I guess.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, and the other thing was it was a factory tack car, right?
Yeah.
So you mean like the tack in the...
Yeah, it's almost...
Okay. So instead of being that, what else would have been there? Just your car doesn't have that, huh?
No, it doesn't.
Speedo, yeah, that's what I thought. I had the fuel and the tank.
Oh, okay.
That's what they learned by the like.
So this is out of your other car. I see. So you can see the difference, I hope. So it feels out there.
The shifter, if you get in it, feel how tight the shifter is.
Yeah.
I know, I noticed that, yeah. And is this a T10 or a top loader? Top loader? Okay, that's what I thought. Wow. And you have the shaker hood too, huh?
It's over here on the ground. Right
Yeah.
here. With the factory air cleaner system.
Oh, jeez. That's gonna be so cool.
This piece right here, Craig, this 2-piece that holds the shaker. I was looking at Mustangs Unlimited. It's $149 or $169.
Yeah.
Just for that little piece?
Yep.
My goodness. Oh, yeah. So you can see the difference between the round ones and then the flat caps. Ow. Definitely a fan of the flat caps. So you're saying there's the only rust spot, which isn't that bad. I'm assuming this line that's underneath the car went to an external fuel cell, if you want to call it that. But how you were running it?
Into the gas tank.
Okay, that's what I thought. So if you stick that in a gas can, it should run.
Yeah, that's what
Oh, cool.
Is it?
Okay, so we got a great gas tank, and it should run. Hey, wait! Kill it. Your vacuum advance line was like going in the fan. On your distributor. So, this guy's supposed to go to, where is it? It's supposed to go over here. Alright, so now we got our vacuum hose so it doesn't hook up in the fan. Try it again. Hey, your choke's working. I do it forever. Your fuel bowl's empty, now it's trying to pick up out of the tank. So you just gotta let it do its thing.
Okay, go ahead. Go.
almost like it's too vertical and it's not actually catching. It's just kind of splashing up halfway and not continuing.
Oh, the fuel pump shot in this car.
Yeah, mine is too.
I saw it, just went right back. Oh, that's sick!
Yeah.
It's at my knee, like in between, like right on my thigh. It's so easy to work on. Can't I have cars where I can actually reach the back? Dang. This is just... you make me want a car.
Yeah.
But I'm turning my truck into a car, kind of. But now I need one of these. Ugh. Why are fastbacks so expensive in California? So before I forget, this is Michael's new project, and for those of you who don't know, this is my cousin Michael, and he has been doing videos on YouTube for quite a long time, and he has actually another one of these, which you guys will see in the future if you go subscribe to his channel. His channel is actually down below in the description of every single one of my videos I've ever posted, ever. You see down in the description below, you'll see it says, subscribe for Michael's 1969 Fastback project. That's him. That's the link to someone's channel, that mysterious person's channel in my description. That would be him. And you can actually check out all the videos he's been making with his car since they picked it up. So since it had these nasty, ugly, weird rims on it, I don't even know those are weird. When it was, he cleaned it, washed it, redid the interior. There's no gas tank in it right now. You can see he pulled that out. All the stuff he's done with it you can see on his channel, so you can go check the link down below if you want to see a lot of stuff on this car and his other car. Once this one's kind of driving, the other one will be in here, so you'll actually have two fastbacks, two 69 fastbacks in this garage, which would be really cool.
With daily or every other day uploads.
Yeah. Since he finally has a project up here, you can actually make more videos, so he's been cooking on the uploads, which is awesome. So if you want to check out some active videos with the 69 Fastback project, definitely go check out his channel. The link will be in the description. All right, guys, so I think that'll do it for this video. If you couldn't already tell, this is like a new garage. So they just finished this garage, which allowed them to get this car, and it just kind of all unfolded in perfect timing. So now Michael has a project, and I can come help on it, which is really cool. The car's on the ground. It's really low, which is really awesome. It's very, very close to running. As you guys saw, we started a little bit, but I don't think I actually explained why it doesn't run. That is a fuel line on the floor, and that's off of the fuel pump. That fuel pump, that's the line that would go to the tank, but the tank is out because it was full of crud, and we ran it off of a auxiliary outside tank, and then it pretty much, the fuel pump just completely crapped out. So it needs a new fuel pump. It was not pulling fuel properly. It would like get into the fuel filter and then just kind of fall off. That's why it wouldn't run all the way, but you kind of get a feel for what it sounds like. It runs good when it runs. That's what I did notice.
I have a video of it running.
Yeah, so you can check out his channel if you want to see the thing actually stay running. I don't know why it wasn't running. I guess the fuel pump's just slowly deteriorating as we run it.
built up the other time. We just kept squirting fuel in it. Slowly we watched the fuel come up, and made it to the car, and then started driving. And now it was like come up, let up.
I mean, when the fuel filter is like vertical, almost like that, it's got to take a lot of a strong pump to be able to push it like that. So, I mean, if we could probably turn it a little bit, and that would probably help. But for the time being, we're just gonna get a new one. He needs to do it anyways, because I'm sure you should probably. That's just one thing you should change when you get this kind of car. But I'm stoked. This thing is sweet. So there will be videos of us driving this car hopefully soon. You guys can check that out. Hopefully you guys enjoy this thing. This is definitely different. I definitely need a car. I know you guys, a lot of you guys have been telling me this for a long time, and I've been looking. So keep that in mind. Maybe I want to get a car soon. Probably not a Fastback, because you know they're quite expensive, but something. Psh. So like the video if you did enjoy. Let me know what you do think down in the comments below. Check Michael's channel out. Watch some of our videos when you're bored. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.